How to navigate Marketplace as an advertiser. The Marketplace is your one-stop shop for connecting with vetted, quality campaign sources on both the supply and demand sides. For advertisers, Marketplace allows you to discover new partners for promoting your offers, connect with them, and instantly start running offers with them. In this video, we will explore Marketplace from the advertiser's perspective on how to join, create a profile, and manage your connections. Joining Marketplace is easy and can be done on your Everflow instance. When logged in, open your left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. If you haven't joined, you will see only one option: to sign up. You will be asked to choose between an advertiser or a partner. For this video, we'll click on Advertiser Sign Up. Clicking this will redirect you to create a profile. Profile creation is done in 4 easy steps: the general, programs, EF match, and a review step. The general tab is where the basic information about your company will be collected. This includes a logo, brand name, contact information, promotional methods, social media presence, and more. This is how the partners will get to know you and learn about your brand. Next is programs. Programs will showcase to prospective partners the type of payout structure and landing pages they will send traffic to if they decide to work with you. You can feature up to 5 programs to attract your best matches. For instance, you may have a lead submission offer where the payout will be on lead submission at $5. Or you may have the same offer but with a CPS payout type, where you will pay the partner a percentage of the sale amount. Next is EF Match. EF Match is a curated matching program where our Marketplace team connects you with partners directly based on your profile. Offers and questionnaires answered on this page. This can be especially helpful if you wish to start with a few selected quality partners to test the waters and monitor the start of Marketplace more closely. The last tab is Review. This is where you will see how your profile will look like on Marketplace. If the results look good, you will click on the sign up button to submit your profile. So, what to do next once your submission is processed and you are ready to go? We will go back to the Marketplace menu, and now you will see 3 additional options: Discovery, Manage Connections, and Your Profiles. Discovery is where you can find and invite partners to run your offers. You can customize your search by utilizing filters, sort by, and view options. Filters can narrow down potential partnerships based on specific data. For instance, you can search the partners by the categories or regions. Sort by organizing the results with top matches or date added criteria. And lastly, the view option allows you to display your connections in a grid or a table. You can also click on the profile or learn more to see more information about each partner. Once you locate the partner you wish to add to your program, click on the Invite button. You can either create a new account for them, or you can group them under an existing partner if you are already connected manually. To group them with an existing one, enable the Group Under Existing Partner toggle and select the partner you wish to merge. Customize visibility allows you to select the offers that you would like to expose to this partner when they accept the invite. Please note that all public offers will be included in the invite by default. And lastly, you can personalize the invitation message. This can be a great place to share why you believe the match will be mutually beneficial or what you liked about the partner. Once done, click on Invite. Once the partner approves your request, you will receive a confirmation via email. You can now view these partners by going to Partners, Manage, and search by label Marketplace. Or, of course, you can navigate to Marketplace, Managed Connections, and Connected Partners to see the same list of Marketplace partners. On this page, clicking on the affiliate name would have taken you to the affiliates page. You can also unlink your connection here or even view their profile. Marketplace can be a great opportunity for your brand to gain more volume and market share without the additional stress of integration with any other platform. Now you can join the marketplace as an advertiser, create your own profile, and manage connections all on your Everflow portal.